Hi guys. Hey guys, today I want to play a new stuff here. I want to make my key holder with my Volvo key. Yes, you can see here is my key, and this is my old one, the key holder. Yes, but it's just very simple like this. And I just saw a video on Facebook, and there's one guy there is a channel called the Craft and DIY. Yes, and they make an amazing key holder, so that just surprised me. So I want to learn about that and make one to try for myself, see if it works or not. So you can see I already make the leather in a key shape. Yes, and it's very fun because I have to put this leather into the water, yeah, and until it going to very soft and very soft and hot, and just use the soft leather and to put the key inside. Then just use the many clips to clip the edge to make the shape. So and make the shape then until the leather from the very wet and till it all dry, and till it all dry, and you can see it just like now it's super hard. Yes, you can see super hard. Yes, so I'm so excited, want to try it. Yeah, but this is not. It won't be sell in my shop because I don't have you guys key. Yeah, so I cannot make this for you too. And I just want to share with you guys the new product I want to try. Okay, so let's make it now. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm so happy. I already changed my car's key a new clothes. Yeah, you can see this is the old one, and the leather is very beautiful. Yeah, you can see, and this is the very long time leathers in my shop. Yes, and at least one already about 3 years, I think. But now I just want to create a texture and the color just like this tone, so you can see I make this one and by painting. Yes, I painting it, and it's just very beautiful. Yes, and very shiny. Yeah, you can see, and this is the new clothes. And because the old one, I usually need to push the button, and I need to just lay out the key. Yes, just like this, and open the button and slide it out to turn the buttons. But now the new one, just no need to slide out. Just like this, I can just push it very easy. Yes, and because I was thinking to make a keychain on it, just like this on it. But tell the truth, because this is my key, and I usually only put it in my pocket, so I don't need to. I don't want to add a keychain on it. So it's just like this way I'm using every day, and just put it in my pocket. Yes, very easy. So you can see the marks in the back and the front like this. Yes, I'm so happy. I just made a new clothes for my key. Yes, it's very unique. But the first try is a little still a little not so perfect, because you can see the shape, the right side and the left side, they are not really very balanced. But this is my first try, and only for myself to use it, so I think that is fine. But I still want to share the video to you guys and show you guys what I'm doing today. Okay, so this is my new key, and if you guys like it, and you can tell me yes. Okay, so hope you guys will love the video today, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.